Sister's playing with this little toy. It's a little cat toy, and she just loves it. She's got it between her feet. Some little cat toy I got. I was going to give it to Megan's cat, but then Sister found it. Look at her. What is that, Titter? What is that little kitty, huh? Look at that. She's precious. She's precious. She's precious. You're not silly. You're not silly, Titter. What? What's the matter with you? That's a silly cat. You're a dilly cat, yeah. You're a dilly. You're a silly cat. What is that? You're silly. Titter. Titter. What is that? Whatever it is, Mom, I'm gonna get it. Take a break first, though. Titter. You did a silly kitty.